Let's learn English through short cinema conversations with vocabulary and listening questions.
Choosing a movie. What movie do you want to watch? There are many movies today.
I want to watch the new action movie. What about you?
I like the comedy film. It looks funny.
Should we watch the action movie first?
Okay, but can we watch the comedy after?
Yes, that sounds good.
What time does the action movie start?
It starts at 6 p.m.
Great. Let's buy the tickets now.
Yes, I will get to tickets.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Movie. A film shown in a cinema. Action. A type of film with a fast-paced plot and physical actions. Comedy. A funny film that makes people laugh. Your listening question is: which movie do they decide to watch first? Answer: they decide to watch the action movie first. Talking about showtimes.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 5 p.m. and 8 p.m.
Which time do you prefer?
I like the 8 p.m. show.
Me too. It is better in the evening.
Let's buy tickets for the 8 p.m. show.
Good idea. How much are the tickets?
They cost $10 each.
Okay, I will pay for mine.
Thanks, let's wait near the entrance.
Sounds good. I'm excited.
Me too. It will be fun.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Showtime. The time a movie starts. Ticket. A pass to enter the cinema. Entrance. The place to enter a building. Your listening question is: what time do they decide to watch the movie? Answer: they decide to watch the movie at 8 p.m. Talking about ticket prices.
How much are the movie tickets?
The tickets cost $12 for adults and $8 for children.
That is not too expensive.
Do you want to buy a ticket for me?
Yes, I will buy one for you.
Thank you. Can we buy tickets here?
Yes, the ticket booth is right there.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
That's perfect.
Let's buy the tickets now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Ticket. A pass to enter a movie. Booth. A small place to buy tickets. Adult. A grown-up person. Your listening question is: how much does a child ticket cost? Answer: a child ticket costs $8. Buying popcorn.
Do you want some popcorn?
Yes, I love popcorn at the movies.
Should I buy a large or small popcorn?
A large one, please.
Okay, I will get it from the snack counter.
How much does it cost?
It is $5 for a large popcorn.
That's okay, I'm hungry.
Do you want a drink too?
Yes, a soda, please.
I will buy both.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Popcorn. Puffed corn eaten as a snack. Snack. Small food eaten between meals. Soda. A sweet fizzy drink. Your listening question is: what size popcorn do they buy? Answer: they buy a large popcorn. Talking about a new movie.
Did you like the new movie?
Yes, it was very exciting.
I liked the action scenes a lot.
The story was interesting too.
The actors did a great job.
I agree, the music was good as well.
Would you watch it again?
Maybe, but I want to see a comedy next time.
That sounds fun.
Do you know any good comedies?
Yes, there is one playing next week.
Great, let's plan to watch it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Exciting. Very interesting and fun. Actor. A person who performs in movies or plays. Comedy. A funny movie or play. Your listening question is: what kind of movie do they want to watch next? Answer: they want to watch a comedy next. Planning the next movie.
What movie should we watch next?
How about the new romance film?
I heard it's very popular.
Yes, and the reviews are good.
When is the next show?
It starts at 7 p.m.
That works for me.
Me too. Should we buy tickets now?
Yes, to avoid the line.
Good idea.
Let's go to the ticket counter.
I'm excited.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Romance. A love story. Review. An opinion about a movie or book. Counter. The place where tickets are sold. Your listening question is: what movie do they plan to watch next? Answer: they plan to watch a romance film.
What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.